Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a life saving tool which has recently helped me in recovering my lost data. You can use this software to recover your lost data from your computer, laptop, hard drive, USB flash drive, SD card, and camera. This software also supports SSD, external hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk, action camera, drone camera, dash cam, camcorder, video player, music player, and so on. If you are a new visitor, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and also click on the bell button so that you get the information of every new video we upload on this channel. So without any further delay, let's go and have a look on the software. So open your browser and in the address bar type recoverit.wondershare.com. From the home page, click on the products, and over here you can see the products for data recovery, and then they have product for photo recovery, and then they have product for video repair. They have separate tool for video repair and for photo recovery with additional features, but when you will opt for data recovery tool, you would also be able to recover your photos, your videos as well. But these separate tools offers additional features. You may consider these two tools as well, but generally speaking about data recovery, this tool is best for anything. If you have photos, videos within your data and you lost your data, you can easily recover that data with this tool. So under data recovery, they have data recovery for Windows, data recovery for Mac, and then they have data recovery for free. This is the free tool. We will look at it later, but for now let's click on the data recovery for Windows. So on this screen, if you scroll down, you can see number of options of this software. So it recovers data for various your office files, your photos, picture and images, videos, movies and blogs, audios, music, songs, emails, archives, and so on. If you scroll down towards end of the screen, you can see number of more options. So basically there are three steps you have to follow to recover your data. The first step is that you select the destination from where you want to recover your lost data. It could be your hard drive within the desktop or laptop computer. It could be additional hard drive which is installed on your computer, any of these hard drives, or it could be any external media. It could be external hard drive, it could be flash drive, it could be floppy drive, and so on. And once you will select the data retrieval destination, the second step is to scan it. So basically then secondly you will scan the selected location or device where you want to get data back. So once you will scan it, after completion the software will display your data in the format which you are currently looking, and from this screen you can either select one folder or multiple folders, or even you can select one files, multiple files, and after that you can click to recover the data. So the selected data, you can preview the selected data and you can review it. It could be any sort of data. It could be your documents, your photos, your audios, or even videos, and recover them easily by just clicking on the recover button. Now let us look at the pricing of this software. Let's go back to the products again, and from here you can click on the data recovery for free. So this is the free tool you can download and you can use it. A same tool which you can download and you can use it, but it has some limitations which we can see over here. The free one is basically you can recover up to 100 MB data, recover all kind of data and from various storage. So there is no limitation in that case, but the limitation is only over here, the recover 100 MB data with this free variant, and you can preview before recovering. So the second is the essential variant, and which is the paid variant, and it costs around $60 per year. And in this variant you can recover unlimited data, and rest of the two options which you also have in the free variant also include over here as well. The third is the standard variant. So in standard variant these three features are same which the essential variant have, but the fourth feature is the additional features. It is the boot with bootable media to recover data even though the PC crashes or fails to start. So this is an option that if your PC is crashed and you need a bootable media and then you want to recover the data, this variant will help you in that context. And the fourth variant is the advanced variant. It has all the four features which have in the standard variant, but it has an additional feature of advanced video recovery and corrupted video repair. And if your work is more towards videos and all that sort of data, you may want to consider this variant. I hope you liked the video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching.